you're excited as I am. My name is Agnes Veronica Julia Wala with name 33210075, and in the next few minutes, as you can see on the screen, our topic today is about the development of applied linguistics. So in the first slide, introduction. Scholars who have worked in applied linguistics have noted that it often deals with solving or at least ameliorating social problems involving language. Applied linguistics or AL answers questions such as how can we teach language better? What type of individual difference do we have in language learning? What are the social influences that affect language learning? How can we write a valid language explanation? How can we best advise Ministry of Education official, curriculum planners, and other stakeholders in the Education Ministry on the content of a language curriculum for various groups of people and communities? In short, applied linguistics is interested mainly in language problems. All the areas mentioned above and some other relevant issues will be discussed in this study. It's about what is applied linguistics. Applied linguistics is a subfield of linguistics that studies and solves language-based problems through research and application. It is an interdisciplinary field which allow for a range of research, analysis, and problem-solving tools. As of 1980, broad agreement was achieved among the major practitioners in the field that apply linguistics. First, was interdisciplinary, drawing on a multitude of disciplines including psychology, sociology, and pedagogy, as well as theoretical linguistics. Second, was not limited to language teaching, but include a broad range of fields including lexicography, stylistic, speech, pathology, translation, language policy, and planning, among others. Next, perform a mediating function between theory and practice. Buckingham and SK 1980 until 3. To these three characteristics, we should add that applied linguistics is problem-based and brings linguistic insight and analyze to bear on practical issues of language use situated in time, place, society, and culture. History of applied linguistics. Applied linguistics department was established on August. In the development of applied linguistics department, graduate school of YSU, it was start from the pure linguistics, which focus on all aspects of language as a system. However, regarding its development, applied linguistics department has had three concentration areas, such as foreign language education, literary education, and translation. Therefore, the vision of applied linguistics study program are to become a superior, creative, and innovative study program in language education, literary education, and translation based on its application in rational, transparent, and formal procedure based on accountability. Therefore, the vision of applied linguistics study program are to become a superior, creative, and innovative study program in language education, literary education, and translation based on its application in rational, transparent, and formal procedure based on accountability. In addition, the grades of applied linguistics department can conduct language learning, literary learning, translation learning, and can be a translator or interpreter. The graduates of applied linguistics department will be a Master of Education or Master of Humanities. Some subfields of applied linguistics below are the commonly regarded subfields of applied linguistics as not grasped. Second language acquisition. Second language acquisition theory deals with the range of variables, in particular act of immersion, quantity of input at which may interactively determine the level of ultimate attainment. Language assessment and testing. Language assessment plays a gatekeeping role in terms of the function they serve for institution and the corresponding preparedness of institution to invest in their development and validation. It has always involved the development and implementation of frameworks for describing standard progress in language learning over time. Language policy and planning. Language policy and planning. The practical nature of language planning deals with the analysis of policy making in contexts where language is part. Language problems always arise, which could involve rival interests reflecting relation among ethnic, political, social, and bureaucratic, and class groupings. Language policy and planning research then draws on knowledge far beyond linguistics to solve such problems where necessary. Lexicography. Lexicography is important and integral part of applying linguistics in second or foreign language learning and teaching at all ages and levels of education. It is concerned with the writing and study of dictionaries for first or second or foreign language education. It also involves mono, bi, and multilingual works and general children's school, college, and special technical dictionaries. Multilingualism. This is the use of more than two languages within a speech community. Applied linguistics deals with the sociological, physiological attending problem and the application of this language on the speech community. Okay, so in conclusion, this study shed the light on some of the several definitions of applied linguistics made by the various scholars. In addition, it also clarified the mutual relationship between applied linguistics and the other branches of linguistics. A historical background of applied linguistics is given in order to elucidate Quine E. F. learners with the concept of applied linguistics. So this is the end of our presentation today, and thank you.